Right, so let's talk a bit more about the upfront costs of the Audi. And you'll have to excuse my handwriting for this part, I've never been good at writing. So, the first cost, the obvious one, is of the car. I paid $3,300 at a auction. And then for the bumper and fender, I got from a local wrecker for $1,500, $200, well $300 for the fender and $1,200 for the bumper and all of its attachments. Then after that, I got the whole front right corner of suspension from a wrecker in Sydney. That was $650. I did buy a fuel cap strap since it was broken, and that was only about $6 Australian on eBay. Right, now that plane's gone, I had to buy a adapter to get the lug nuts off the wheels, and that cost about $11 on Amazon for next day delivery. But for now, this is the running cost for the Audi. Let's get on with the video. Oops. Hello. So this is our old bumper, and it's pretty safe to say we can't really use this anymore. And this is our new one. I've gone and taken the old grille from the pre-existing bumper and put it on our new bumper. It's looking nice and fresh, and I'm going to now install it. After a bit of push and shove, we did get there in the end. Now, the only big thing that we're waiting on is the headlight bracket. And I've gone and finished off the deed. I've pulled off the side mirror that was over the front of the original one. I can see why they did it. It's completely cracked. I don't have to tell you that. So I've looked at the part number on the back, and I've now ordered that as well. 2 months ago, I bought this Audi A5, and repairs have been slow lately. All that really remains is getting the headlight bracket to then refit the old headlight. We took off the wheel, and after removing the tire, we found damage that would cost too much to get refurbished for the price of the wheel. So we're now going to buy a new wheel. But what I need to decide is whether I buy a full set or just a one-off. We're here from the future to deliver an important message. If you have been enjoying these videos so far, I really need to emphasize how important it is that you subscribe and hit the like button. It helps me tremendously in pushing this video out to more and more people, and that gets me more subscribers, which means I can monetize this to then bring you more and more builds, and then we can build these cars as a community instead of just my weird taste alone. For example, I've contacted Hustler about the wheel, and they won't just sell me a single wheel. The main reason being that the wheels it currently has, the Hustler GQs, this model has chrome on the front face, and they don't offer that model anymore. They only offer bronze, matte black, or chrome black, and the cost to refurbish the existing wheel is more than the cost of a single wheel. To me, that's simply not worth it, and I believe it would be better off to just buy some wheels that are more suited to our taste. So that's where you guys come in. I want you to leave a comment telling me what wheels you believe would look great on this Audi A5. I'll look at every single comment and open all of them in a tab and see what I believe also looks the best. That way, you guys, the community, forever become a part of this build and can enjoy it alongside with me. So that's 3 tasks for you, the viewer. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what wheels you believe should go on this car. This weekend, I have a few small things I need to get done. We've got end links to do on the Audi. We also have the fuel strap to do, as it is broken from the cap. And the Mercedes behind me needs a banjo bolt to be fitted, as it is currently puking out smoke. So these are the few things I want to get done this weekend. The end links will be super easy. I bought tools from work to make that an easy job. The fuel cap strap, I forgot to bring my pick, my straight pick. So pushing the old pins out is going to be a bit of a challenge. And the banjo bolt will be a fairly simple process. It'll just be a matter of accessing it, which I'm not too sure where to find it quite yet, but we'll figure that out once we get to it. So for now, let's get the passenger side wheel off of the Audi and fit both of these end links.
I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment.
There we go. This is exactly what I was talking about. I'm hoping you can see that on camera. I can literally push the bushing out from the end link. So that's exactly why we are replacing it.
I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
Do 40 Newton meters for both of these end link bolts, but then 90 degrees after. And there we have it. That is the end links all out. This is the driver's side with the big gaping hole in it. I've got the bushing in my palm here. And then the passenger side was actually not too bad, but I like to replace these type of things in pairs. Okay, so that was easy enough. Let's move on to the next task. Now the next thing on my list, which should also be an easy one, is fitting a new fuel cap strap. And let me show you why. There we are. So this is an annoyingly common issue on these cars, but the fuel cap strap has simply cracked away, and I want to return this to OEM condition, so this is probably the easiest thing I could possibly do. So we'll just take this one out and let's take it to the workbench. All right, I hope that's a good enough camera position. You'll have to excuse the lighting, but pretty much all that holds in this strap is two little pins that go into this plastic component on the outside. Let me show you that by looking at the new part. If this is our cap, the strap goes in, the pins go in, and that's all that holds it in place. I found this T10 bit, which I believe may be just enough to squeeze through the hole. So I'm going to try that now, and let's see how we go. Boom, there we go. So now, as you can see, that just comes straight out. Let's give this a quick clean and then we'll refit our new one. All right, so now that is one fuel cap with a strap. We're gonna go ahead and put this back in first. That goes in, and then this freely spins, and we can just latch it over this, which I might need to get two hands on. Ah, there you go, beautiful, just like that. Oh no. No, I think it's too dead. Oh no! Oh god. On the dash, on the dash. No?
Wanting to go, it wants. So is Duke.
Rev it! That's so loud. That's stupid loud.
Bro, that's nuts.
Wait, rev it again. Yeah.
By Bluetooth.
Oh, click it, click Clash of Clans.
Oh, there's no reception, so it might not work.
Where's the volume? Where's the volume? No? Yeah! Oh! No!
How'd you play Clash of Clans while driving?
Oh my god! That's so good! Oh!
Joel's iPhone 13.
Oh, well, we can just
Yeah.
delete that now, I
But you
guess.
probably chuck your phone in or something and... There we go. Do you want me to connect?
Yeah, go for it.
CarPlay.
Oh, it is compatible. Yeah, sick.
I hope my phone doesn't get hacked.
Oh wow, there you go. That's sick. Yeah, wow, that's really cool.
Want me to be honest?
Yes. Oh Oh! Alright. Now, is that it?
Is that it? Aww.
I mean, it doesn't look like it's on. Nah, it doesn't look like it's on any rails.
Yeah, I guess not. Still, that's cool.
Brand new car. Oh my god.
Dog in here. Oh, I wonder why.
So that means we can turn our attention to the Mercedes. Whenever we start it, it's spitting out smoke, which I'll get a recording of. To fix that, I've got a new banjo bolt and 2 washers, as well as the O-ring. We're gonna go ahead and fit those and see if it does fix the issue. This car in particular has about 180,000 Ks on it, and it is really starting to show its age. There's so much liquid coming out from every orifice. The intention is I'm going to fix this banjo bolt since I've been meaning to for a long time. Drive it to work, completely degrease the whole engine bay above and below, and that way I can really identify where these leaks are coming from. Taken off the lower heat shield, which would normally belong right here. That is it there on the ground. I've loosened this top one just to give me a little bit more access. So let's get that one out and this one in. Alexa, play. The biggest difference is that on the inside, this one is completely open flow, and pretty much in the new one, Mercedes have made it so that there's a backflow preventer, is what they call it.
Right.
When you turn the car off, oil is going to continue to flow through the banjo bolt and just sit inside the turbo. When you start it, all of that oil that has been sitting in the turbo gets shot into the manifold, exhaust manifold side, and burnt on startup. Alright, now that the banjo bolt is fully installed, we've got the heat shields back on. I made sure to put the new O-ring on. Let's start it up and let's see if there's any leaks. Brake. Now, it won't fix it straight away. There's definitely going to be some smoke coming out, but let's make sure that oil is staying in. Alright, well that's a good sign. So I did notice no more white smoke was coming out, so I believe it has got all the moisture out of the exhaust, and we can now test it by starting up now to see if the banjo bolt has fixed the issue we were having. And let's go straight to the back, let's see. No smoke is coming out, which normally it would be clouding its way out. I'm pretty confident that the banjo bolt has fixed the issue we were having, which means now I can take it to work, wash it down, and diagnose all the other leaks that it's having and see if it's even worthwhile fixing them.